In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill a TikTok Shop order. First, open your TikTok Shop seller account. Make sure you're signed into the Seller Center where all your shop activity is managed. From the main dashboard, head to the Orders section. If you don't see anything yet, that just means there are no orders to fulfill at the moment. When an order does come in, you'll handle everything from this page. When you're ready to ship, go to the Awaiting Shipment view. This filters your orders so you're only looking at items that need to be sent out. Find the order you want to fulfill and click Arrange Shipment. This is where TikTok Shop helps you set up the logistics with the partnered carrier. Next, you'll be asked to select a collection method. You can choose pickup or drop-off. Pickup means a carrier will collect the parcel from your address during an available time window, which is convenient if you can be present. Drop-off means you'll take the parcel to an approved location yourself, which can be faster if you're on the go. Choose the option that fits your schedule and packaging setup. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to glance at the order details on the screen, things like the recipient's address and the package count, just to make sure everything matches what you're packing. Once you've decided, click to confirm Arrange Shipment. TikTok Shop will generate the carrier information and the shipping label for that order. Now, click Print Shipping Label. If you're using a standard printer, check that scaling is set to actual size so the barcode prints clearly. If you have a label printer, pick the correct label size to avoid cutting off edges. Prepare your product by wrapping it securely. Use a box or mailer that fits well so the item doesn't shift, and add padding if needed. Attach the shipping label to a flat, clean surface on the package, smoothing out any bubbles or creases. Make sure the barcode is fully visible and not covered by tape with a glossy finish. Clear tape can be fine, but avoid placing it directly over the barcode if it causes glare. That's it. You've opened your seller account, gone to Orders, filtered to Awaiting Shipment, Arranged Shipment, selected Pickup or Drop-Off, confirmed, printed the shipping label, and attached it to your wrapped order. Keep the package ready for pickup or take it to the drop-off location you selected. Following these steps ensures your order moves quickly to the customer and keeps your shop's fulfillment process smooth and professional.